Today we will discuss the new chapter syllogisms. So here syllogisms means it will be based on the Venn diagrams. Before going to that, so you should know there are four basic statements in syllogisms. One is all, second one is some, third one is some not, fourth one is no. There are four statements: all, some not, and no. So here one thing we should remember: some is a reversible statement, no is a reversible statement, some not is irreversible, all is also irreversible. So what is the meaning of reversible and irreversible? For example, all A is B is given. All A is B. If in the conclusions, if it is given all B is A, it is definitely wrong. Why? Because all is a irreversible statement. The same example, if it is given no A is B in the question and our answer is no B is A, that one is definitely correct. Why? Because no is the reversible. We can reverse no. No ni reverse cheyach. Same. If you write some A is B as the question and your conclusion is some B is A, definitely follows. Again, some not. If it is given some A is not B, if we write some B is not A, this one does not follow. So here one basic thing you have to remember: some not is a irreversible statement, all is a irreversible statement, some is the reversible, no is also the reversible. So there are two reversible and two irreversible statements. Now, how to represent these in the form of a diagram? Generally, we will be doing the syllogisms in the form of the diagram. See, all. First, I will explain about all. All A is B. All A is B. Then some. Some A is B. This is how you represent some A is B. Then some not. Some A is not B. Some A is not B. Right? Some A is not B, and you have to shade this one. So you should note down the difference between some and some not. This is some. There is no shading. Here it is some not. There is the shading. Just to for our differentiation, we are writing like this. Some is written in this way. Some not is written in this way. Then no. No A is B. This is how you represent no A is B. In some websites or some other this one, they will be representing this one also. No A is B. This is also no A is B. This is correct, also this is correct. You can represent in both way. No A is B. Here also no A is B. You can represent in both the ways. So this is how you represent all. This is how you represent some. This is how you represent some not. This is how you represent no. So these are the four basic statements in our syllogisms. So all syllogisms questions will be based on these four statements. Now, how to answer the syllogisms if there are multiple statements? So I will explain one thing. All A is B. All A is B. Some B is C. Some B is C. No C is D. See what I have written? All A is B. Next one, some B is C. Next one, no C is D. These are the statements. Then our conclusions. Let us discuss the conclusions in this. See here, no C is D. Inside C, some part of B is there. Inside C, some part of B is there. If it is given some B is not D, that one definitely follows. Some B is not D definitely follows. Here the relation is there between B and D. What is the relation? Some not. But between D and B there is no relation. If it is given no D is B, does not follow. If it is given some D is not B, it also does not follow. See, there is no relation between D and B, but there is a relation between B and D. What is the relation? Some not. Between B and D, some not is there, but between D and B, there is no relation. Then, what about this thing? All A is B. If it is given all A is B, then if our conclusion is some B is A, definitely follows. So, whenever all is following, some definitely follows. All follow your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కు సమ్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఆల్ ఫాలో your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కు సమ్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. నో ఫాలో your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కు సమ్ నాట్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. If all is following, some definitely follows. If no is following, some not definitely follows. No follow your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కు సమ్ నాట్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్ ఫాలో your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్కు సమ్ వస్తుంది. సో ఈ రెండు విషయాలు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. నౌ there are complementary pairs in syllogisms. This is the basic thing. This is important thing. Complementary pairs antaru. COMPLEMENTARY. Complementary pairs. Complementary pairs ante enti? When there is no relation between any two elements, then if three things are given, that is called as complementary pairs. One is all, some not. Second one is some not. Third one is some and no. These three are called as complementary pairs. Pair ante a set of two things is called as a pair. Complementary pairs means all, some not, some not, some no. So this one, when you have to apply, when there is no relation between any two elements. For example ga okati chudandi. All A is B, all B is C, no C is D. Sorry. Some A is B, some B is C, no C is D. Now, here there is the relation between C and D, that is no. If no is there, some not also follow. No C is D, some C is not D. No D is C, some D is not C. Some B is not D, some B is not D. But there is no relation between A and D. A and D madhyala etvanti relation ledu. If any conclusion is given like this, some A is D, some A is not D. This is the complementary pair. Why? Because there is no relation between A and D, but one sum statement is given, one sum not statement is given. So this is called as complementary pair. Always in complementary pair, our answer is either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2 ani answer cheyali. Now, the same thing, just you observe the difference. If I am writing like this, is it a complementary pair? Yes, this is also a complementary pair. The first one is called as the subject, second one is called as the predicate. So whenever you are given with syllogisms, the first one, this is the subject, the second one is the predicate. So even though the subject and predicate positions are changed in some and some not, this will be taken as complementary pair. Why? Because we can reverse some A is D. Some A is D can be written as some D is A. Now, some D is A, some D is not A. So this is also a complementary pair. Now, there is one more complementary pair. So that is which one? Some and no. Now here, some A is D, no A is D. This is also a complementary pair. There is no relation between A and D, but one sum statement is given, one no statement is given. Again, our answer is either 1 or 2. See, if I change the positions, suppose I am writing like this, some A is D, no D is A. That means I am changing the subject and predicate. Then also this is the complementary pair. Appudu kuda idi complementary pair avutundi. Enduku avutundi ante some A is D can be written as some D is A. Some D is A, no D is A. So this is also a complementary pair. Now, these two are similar. These two are similar. First one is different. What about the first one? suppose all A is D, some A is not D. This is one thing. All A is D, some D is not A. This is the second thing. See, all A is D, some A is not D. Here you have to observe one thing, A is A only, D is D. We cannot interchange subject and predicate. This is the complementary pair, whereas this one is not the complementary pair. Here, both have been interchanged. So, D has come here, A has come here. So, this is not a complementary pair. Why this is not a complementary pair? In other cases, even though if you are interchanging, it is a complementary pair. But why this is not the complementary pair? Why? Because both are irreversible. All is a irreversible, some not is a irreversible. So, in case of all and some not, subject should be in the place of subject, predicate also should be in the place of predicate. Therefore, we cannot interchange subject and predicate in case of all, some not. That is the thing. Now, one more small thing. If it is given like this, all A is D, or else see, some A is D, no A is B I have given. That means what I am doing here, subject is same, but predicate is different. Is it a complementary pair? No. So, to become the complementary pair, subject and predicate should be same, but in case of all, some not, subject should be in the place of subject, predicate should be in the place of predicate. But in case of some not and some no, you can interchange the subject also the predicate. Now, there is one more case called possibility case. There is one more case called possibility. Possibility cases. Possibility cases. If there is no relation between any two elements, any possibility definitely follows. Best, I will explain with one example. Same example, all A is B, no B is C, some C is. This is one example. Now I will write the conclusions. First one, no D is. Second one, some D is not B. Third one, some D is A is possibility. Some D is A is a possibility. Fourth one, no D is A is a possibility. Fifth one, all A is D is a possibility. Okay. These are the things. See, first one, no D is B. No C is B means some D is not B. So, no D is B does not follow, whereas some D is not B definitely follows. Now, you see the case of possibility. This is D, this is A. There is no relation between D and A. If there is no relation, any possibility follows. Some D is A is a possibility follow. No D is A is a possibility follow. All A is D is also a possibility definitely follows. Now, this is the meaning of possibility. If there is no relation, any possibility definitely follows. Now, what are the possibilities will come when we are taking all? Possibilities. Okay. If we are taking all, what possibilities will come? What possibilities will not come? If all is there, some is a possibility will not follow. No is a possibility will not follow. Some not is a possibility will not follow. If all is there, some is a possibility does not follow. For example, all A is B is there. If I am writing some B is A is a possibility, it does not follow. Why? Because some B is A definitely follows. There is a difference between definitely follows and possibility. Possibility means it might follow or it might not follow. Definitely follows means it will definitely follow. So, when all is there, some is a possibility does not follow, no is a possibility does not follow, some not is a possibility also does not follow. If I am giving like this, see, some A is not B is possibility. Some A is not B is a possibility does not follow. Why? Because all A is B, some not is a possibility does not follow. Then come to some. So, this you should remember, whatever I am writing here, that you should remember. If some is there, all is a possibility will follow. Some not is a possibility will follow, but no is a possibility does not follow. If some is there, all is a possibility follow, some not is a possibility follow. Example, some A is B. If I am writing all A is B is possibility, that one definitely follows. If I am writing some B is not A is possibility. So B and A relation sum. If sum is there, sum not is a possibility, definitely follows. If I am writing no A is B is possibility, it does not follow. So all is a possibility follow, sum not is a possibility follow, but no is a possibility does not follow. Now, when you come to sum not, if sum not is there, sum is a possibility will follow, no is a possibility will follow, but all is a possibility does not follow. If sum not is there, sum is a possibility follows, no is a possibility follows, all is a possibility does not follow. Then, if no is there, all is a possibility does not follow, sum is a possibility does not follow, sum not is a possibility does not follow. So here you observe the first one and last one, all. When there is all, sum is a possibility does not follow, no is a possibility does not follow, sum not is a possibility does not follow. When there is no, all is a possibility does not follow, sum is a possibility does not follow, sum not is a possibility does not follow. When there is sum, all is a possibility will follow, sum not is a possibility will follow, whereas no does not follow. If there is sum not, sum is a possibility will follow, no is a possibility will follow, all is a possibility does not follow. For example, I will write down one thing. Okay, one example. All A is B, some B is C, some C is D, no D is A. Now, some D is B is a possibility. If there is no relation, any possibility will follow. Therefore, some D is B is a possibility definitely follows. Now, all C is E is a possibility. So, see this one, all C is E is a possibility. Will it follow or does not follow? What is the relation between C and E? Sum not. The relation between C and E is sum not. If sum not is there, all is a possibility, does not follow. For example, E and C. Is there any relation between E and C? No relation. Therefore, any possibility definitely follows. If I am writing all B is A is a possibility. What is the relation between B and A? Sum. Between A and B it is all. Between B and A it is sum. If sum is there, all is a possibility definitely follows. If I am writing some B is not A is a possibility. Again B and A, what is the relation? Sum. If sum is there, sum not is a possibility definitely follows. So if it is given no B is A is a possibility, that does not follow. Why? Because only all and sum not will follow. When we are having sum, all and sum not is a possibility will follow, but no does not follow. Now come to this case, sum not. Some C is not E. If some C is not E, if I am writing some C is E is a possibility. Some C is E is possibility. The relation between C and E is sum not. Therefore, sum is a possibility definitely follows. Now, no C is E is possibility. So, relation between C and E is sum not. Therefore, no is a possibility does not definitely follows. If it is given all C is E is a possibility. When we are getting sum not, all is a possibility does not follow. So, like that we have to answer the questions. Now, these are the basic things about the syllogisms. Now, let us go to the questions. First question. In this question, there are two statements followed by two conclusions, 1 and 2. We have to take the given statements to be true, even though if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts, then decide which of the conclusions logically follows. First one, no win is a loss. No win is a loss. Next one, all loss are victories. All loss are victories. Now come to the conclusions. No victory is a win. What is the exact relation between victory and win? See, this one you can write in other way also. No win is a loss. All loss or victories means some victories are losses. Now, the relation between victory and win is some not. We can say some victories are not wins. Some victories are not wins definitely follows, but no victory is win does not follow. Some victories are wins does not follow. But these two are called as complementary pairs. So, what is your answer? Either one or two. Because victory and win there is no relation. We are having no victory. Also, some victories are win. Complementary pair. Let us see the next question. All sides are length. All sides are length. No length is a breadth. Now, first conclusion, all length are sides. We can say some length are sides. Therefore, all length are sides does not follow. No breadth is a side. If no is there for the outer circle, for inner circle also no definitely follows. Here again, one thing I have to explain. See, observe the difference between these two figures. Here, no is there for the outer circle. బయట circle కు no ఉంటే లోపలిది కూడా definitely no follow అవుతుంది. So no length is breadth. Inside length there is sides. So no side is breadth definitely follows. When there is no for the inner circle, ఇక్కడ difference observe చేయాల్సింది ఇది outer circle కు ఉంది ఇది inner circle కు ఉంది. If no is there for the inner circle, for outer circle some not will follow. That means here some length is not breadth will follow. If no is there for the inner circle, for outer circle some not will follow. If no is there for the outer circle, for inner circle also no definitely follows. Here no breadth is side definitely follows. Now let us see the next one, third one. No remark is wish. No remark is wish. Some wish is hopes. Some wish is hopes. Now, at least is nothing but some. At least some remarks are hopes. Miss అయింది. At least some remarks are hope. Is there any relation between remark and hope? No. Therefore, the first one does not follow. All hopes or wishes does not follow. It is some hopes or wishes. So, neither one, not two. Next question. Some pens are erasers. Some pens are erasers. All sharpeners are pens. First, all sharpeners are pens. All sharpeners are pens. Some pens are erasers. Okay, first conclusion, all sharpeners being erasers. Sharpeners and erasers, there is no relation. Sharpener ku eraser ku relation ledu. Therefore, any possibility definitely follows. All erasers are pens. You can say some erasers are pens. Therefore, second one does not follow. Only first one definitely follows. Let us see the fifth one. Some names are languages. All languages are poems. First one, some names are languages. Languages. All languages are poems. Okay. At least is nothing but some. Some poems are names. Definitely follows. Some languages are names. That also definitely follows. So both 1 and 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Let us see the next question, sixth one. Some apples are oranges. See, some apples are oranges. Some oranges are potatoes. First conclusion, no orange is apple. ఇక్కడ అన్ని some statements ఉన్నాయి, no వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. First one does not follow. At least some potatoes are oranges. At least is nothing but some. Some potatoes are oranges definitely follows. The second one definitely follows. Let us see the next one, seventh question. No pen is a pencil. No pen is a pencil. No pencil is a ink. No pencil is a ink. First one, some ink or pens. Is there any relation between ink and pen? No. First one does not follow. Second one, some pen being ink is a possibility. Since there is no relation between pen and ink, any possibility definitely follows. పెన్నుకు ఇంకుకు ఎటువంటి రిలేషన్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ అయినా ఫాలో అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ వన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలోస్. లెట్ us see the next one. No elephant is a horse. No elephant is a horse. All bulls are horses. All bulls are horses. Now, no bull is an elephant. So just now I told, if there is no for the outer circle, inner circle, no definitely follows. No అనేది outer circle కుంటే inner circle కూడా no follow అవుతుంది. Therefore, no bull is elephant definitely follows. Second one, some bull being elephant is a possibility. No వచ్చినప్పుడు some వచ్చే అవకాశం లేదు. Second one does not follow. Only first one follows. Let us see the 9th question. Some books are papers. Some books are papers. No paper is a bottle. No paper is a bottle. First one, no bottle is book. No bottle is book. Does not follow. Some bottle being book is a possibility. There is no relation between bottle and book. So therefore any possibility definitely follows. Second one definitely follows. Then 10th one. Some mobiles are tablets. Some mobiles are tablets. No tablet is a personal computer. And PC and a personal computer. No personal computer is a mobile. Personal computer mobile ku etuvanti relation ledu. Therefore the first one does not follow. Some personal computers are mobiles. That also does not follow. But these two are called as complementary pairs. There are three complementary pairs. What are the three complementary pairs? Some no, some not, all, some not. If there is no relation between any two elements, and if you are getting some and no, or some not, or all, some not, that is a complementary pair. So here either one or two follows. Then let us see the 11th one. No crayon is a paint. No crayon is a paint. Some crayons are colors. First one, some paint being color is a possibility. Paint and color, there is no relation. Therefore, any possibility definitely follows. All colors are crayons. All colors are crayons, it is given definitely and it does not follow. Why? Because we can say some colors are crayons. So therefore, only one definitely follows. Let us see the 12th question. All games are victories. All games are victories. No game is a trophy. No game is a trophy. No victory is a trophy. So ఇందాకే చెప్పాను, నో అనేది ఇన్నర్ సర్కిల్కి ఉంటే అవుటర్ సర్కిల్కు సమ్ నాట్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ సమ్ విక్టరీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ట్రోఫీ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. బట్ నో విక్టరీ ఈజ్ ట్రోఫీ డస్ నాట్ ఫాలో. At least some victories are trophies. Again, these two come under the complementary pairs. Why? Because it is given some victories are trophies, no trophy is victory, even though this is at least is nothing but some. So this is called as complementary pair, either one or two. Let us see the 13th question. All chairs are tables. All tables are boards. First one, all chairs are boards. All chairs are boards definitely follows. All boards are tables follow కాదు. Some boards are tables అయితే follow అవుతుంది. Second one does not follow. Only first one definitely follows. Next question. Some spoons are forks. Some spoons are forks. Some forks are knives. First one, at least some knives or spoons. At least అంటే some knives or spoons is a possibility అనట్లేదు. Some knives or spoons definitely, which does not follow. Some forks or spoons, that one definitely follows. Second one definitely follows. The next one, all days are weeks. All days are weeks. Some weeks are months. Okay. At least some months or days does not follow. No month is day does not follow. There is no relation between month and day, but it is given some month is day, no month is day, which is called as complementary, where answer is either one or two. Let us see 16th question. All cars are bicycles. Some bicycles are tires. At least some tires are bicycles. Definitely follows. No tire is car. Asal follow God. Only one definitely follows. 17th question. Some tables are chairs. No chair is a wood. At least some woods are tables. There is no relation between wood and table. So, some tables are woods or some woods are table does not follow. Some chair is not wood. See, the relation between chair and wood is no. No follow your ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్ కు సమ్ నాట్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. Therefore, second one definitely follows. 18th question. No square is a circle. No square is a circle. The next one, all circles are rectangles. All circles are rectangles. First one, some circles are squares. Some circles are squares does not follow in any case. Some rectangles are circles. All circles are rectangles means some rectangles are circles definitely follows. Second one definitely follows. Now 19th question. Some squares are circles. Some squares are circles. Some circles are rectangles. Okay. No circle is rectangle. రెండు సమ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు నో వచ్చే అవకాశం లేదు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ డస్ నాట్ ఫాలో. At least some rectangles are squares. That also does not follow. And here it is given circle rectangle, here it is rectangle square. It is not a complementary pair also. Answer neither one, not two. Let us see 20th question. No book is a pen. No book is a pen. Next one is some pens are pencils. Some pens are pencils. First one, no pen is a pencil, which does not follow. At least some pens are pencils. At least some pens are pencils. Here it is given some pens are pencil. At least some pens are pencil definitely follows. Now let us see the next one. 21. Some mangoes are bananas. Some mangoes are bananas. Some bananas are apples. Okay. Some apples being mangoes is a possibility. Some apples being mangoes is a possibility definitely follows. That one definitely follows since there is no relation. No apple is mango does not follow. So only one follows. No train is a aeroplane. No train is a aeroplane. All aeroplanes are buses. Okay. First one, no train is bus does not follow. At least some buses are aeroplanes definitely follows. Only second one definitely follows. Now let us see 23. No elephant is a horse. No elephant is a horse. Some horses are asses. No elephant is ass. There is no relation between elephant and ass. Does not follow. Some ass being elephant is a possibility. The relation between ass and elephant is some not. If some not is there, some is a possibility definitely follows. Therefore, the second one definitely follows. 24. Some tables are chairs. All desks are tables. First, all desks are tables. All desks are tables. Next one, some tables are chairs. First conclusion, at least some tables are desks. At least some tables are desks definitely follows. Some desk being chair is a possibility. Desk ku chair ku etuvanti relation ledu. So any possibility definitely follows. So both 1 and 2 definitely follows. Next question 25. All aeroplanes are trains. All aeroplanes are trains. All trains are buses. At least some buses are aeroplanes. At least some buses are aeroplanes definitely follows. No train is bus does not follow. No train is bus అనేది follow కాదు. So with this we conclude for today. So tomorrow in the next class again we will discuss the next part of the syllogism.